Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Academy.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you're here with us today.
If this is your first time listening, hi, my name's John.
And I'm Mary.
And together we help you speak English in a natural and confident way.
Yes, not textbook English, real English.
Exactly. So wherever you're listening from right now, maybe you're sitting at home with a cup of tea,
Maybe you're driving somewhere,
or maybe you're studying English at your desk.
or even listening while cooking in the kitchen.
Wherever you are, we're really glad you're spending these few minutes with us.
Absolutely.
So, Mary, I want to ask you something.
Uh-oh, that sounds dangerous.
It's not dangerous, I promise. Did you wake up early today?
Well, I was supposed to wake up early today.
Supposed to?
Yes, I set my alarm for 6 a.m. because I was supposed to go to the gym this morning.
Okay, and did you go?
No, I did not. My bed was too comfortable.
So let me understand this. You were supposed to wake up early, you were supposed to go to the gym, but you stayed in bed.
Exactly. That's my morning story.
Oh, wow. Mary, something very interesting just happened.
What?
You used a very important English expression, and you used it very naturally.
Really?
Yes, you said, I was supposed to wake up early, and then you said, I was supposed to go to the gym.
Oh, wow. I didn't even notice that.
Exactly. That's the best part.
I was just telling my story. I wasn't thinking about grammar at all.
And that's how real English works. We use these expressions all the time without thinking about them.
That's true.
And today's episode is actually about this exact expression.
Yes. Today, we're going to talk about how to use be supposed to.
Many English learners hear this expression all the time.
But they're not always sure when to use it.
Some people think it means should,
Some people forget the am or is.
and some people say things like, I supposed to go, which sounds a little strange
So today, we're going to make this expression very clear,
and very easy.
with real-life examples, like my failed gym plan.
Exactly. So let's start with the most important question.
What does supposed to actually mean in everyday English?
Good question. In simple words, supposed to is about expectation.
Expectation?
Yeah, something that people expect to happen, or something people think you should do.
Oh, okay. So it's like something that is planned.
Exactly. It can be a plan, a rule, or even a responsibility.
All right, give me a simple example.
Okay, imagine you have work tomorrow morning.
Hmm.
You can say, I'm supposed to be at work at 9.
Ah, I see. So that means 9 o'clock is the expected time.
Right.
But that doesn't always mean it actually happens.
Exactly. Real life doesn't always follow the plan,
So maybe you're supposed to arrive at 9.
but you arrive at 9:30.
Yes, that happens more often than people want to admit.
Very true.
Okay, let's imagine a classroom.
All right?
Students are supposed to submit their homework on Monday,
Yes,
but some students submit it on Wednesday,
exactly.
and some students never submit it at all.
That's also very realistic.
So basically, supposed to is about what people expect you to do.
Yes, that's a perfect way to say it.
Let me try an example from my own life.
Go ahead.
I'm supposed to drink more water every day.
That's a very healthy plan.
Yes, but honestly, I forget sometimes.
You're not alone.
And I'm also supposed to go to the gym 3 times a week.
Wait a second. Didn't we talk about the gym earlier?
Yes, and clearly I'm not doing a great job.
That's okay. A lot of people are supposed to exercise more.
But the sofa is very comfortable.
That might be the biggest problem.
Okay, another example. Imagine a meeting.
Good one.
If a meeting starts at 10, I can say, we're supposed to meet at 10.
Exactly.
But if someone arrives at 10:20,
Then they didn't do what they were supposed to do.
right,
All right, let's bring our listeners into this for a moment.
Yes, I like this question.
Think about your day today.
What are you supposed to be doing right now?
Maybe you're supposed to be studying.
Maybe you're supposed to be working.
Maybe you're supposed to be cleaning your room.
But instead, you're listening to this podcast.
And honestly, we're very happy about that.
Yes, we really appreciate it.
And Mary, there's another very common way people use this expression.
Oh, what do you mean?
Sometimes we use supposed to when something didn't happen the way we expected.
Ah, like a plan that didn't work.
Exactly.
Like my gym plan this morning.
Yes, you said you were supposed to wake up early, but you didn't.
That's true.
And that actually brings us to something really interesting.
What's that?
When we talk about something in the past, we often say was supposed to or were supposed to.
Ah, right. People use that a lot.
Yes, especially when a plan didn't happen.
Oh, that makes sense.
For example, you said earlier, I was supposed to wake up early.
Yes,
That means waking up early was the plan, but it didn't happen.
exactly. My alarm rang and I turned it off.
That happens to a lot of people.
Especially in winter.
Let me give another example. Imagine you and I planned to meet yesterday.
Okay.
I could say we were supposed to meet yesterday.
But maybe something happened.
Exactly. Maybe you were busy.
Or maybe I forgot.
That's also possible.
So when we say was supposed to, it usually means the plan didn't happen.
Most of the time, yes.
Let me try another example.
Go for it.
Yesterday, I was supposed to call my mom.
Did you call her?
No.
Oh, no.
I remembered very late at night.
Now you have to call her today.
Yes. Now I'm supposed to call her today.
See, you just used it again naturally.
Oh, wow. I really do use this expression a lot.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time.
What about something like a bus or a train?
That's a great example.
Okay.
You can say, the bus was supposed to arrive at 9.
But maybe it arrived at 9:40.
Exactly, and that can be very frustrating.
Especially when you're late for work.
Very true.
So basically, was supposed to is very useful when we talk about plans in the past.
Yes, plans, expectations, or things that should have happened.
But didn't.
Exactly. And now, before we move forward, there's something else learners often struggle with.
Oh, really? What kind of problem?
Many English learners make small mistakes when they try to use this expression.
Like what?
For example, some people say, I supposed to go.
Ah, yes, I've heard that before.
But that sentence is not correct.
So what's the correct way?
You need the verb be.
Oh, right.
So the correct sentence is, I'm supposed to go.
Ah, I see.
We say, I am supposed to, you are supposed to, he is supposed to.
That makes sense.
Let's do a quick practice with our listeners.
Yes, this will be fun.
All right, everyone, listen carefully.
Which sentence is correct?
Number 1, I supposed to finish my work today.
Number 2, I'm supposed to finish my work today.
Take a second and think about it.
Which one sounds right?
The correct answer is number 2,
Yes, I'm supposed to finish my work today.
because we need am.
Without am, the sentence sounds incomplete.
Exactly.
Is there another mistake people make?
Yes, another very common one.
Let me guess. Pronunciation?
Partly that, but also the spelling.
Oh.
Some learners say, I am supposed to go.
Ah, they forget the D.
Exactly.
So the correct word is supposed with a D at the end.
Right.
Even though sometimes we don't hear that D clearly when people speak fast.
Yes, in fast speech, it can sound very soft.
Sometimes it almost sounds like supposed to.
Exactly.
But the correct form is still supposed to.
Right.
What about negative sentences?
Good question.
How do we say that something is not allowed?
Very simple. We say not supposed to.
Can you give an example?
Sure, you're not supposed to park here.
Ah, like a rule.
Exactly.
Another one could be, you're not supposed to smoke here.
Perfect example.
Let me try a funny one.
All right, let's hear it.
I'm not supposed to eat chocolate.
But you probably still eat it.
Sometimes. Maybe. Okay, yes.
That's a very honest answer.
Thank you.
So today we learned a few important things.
Yes.
We use be supposed to for expectations,
We say was supposed to for past plans.
and we say not supposed to for rules.
But before we finish, let's quickly review everything we talked about today.
Great idea. So today we learned how to use the expression be supposed to.
First, we talked about how supposed to is used for expectations.
Right, something that people expect you to do.
Like, I'm supposed to be at work at 9.
Or we're supposed to meet at 10.
Then we talked about the past form,
Yes, was supposed to and were supposed to.
which we often use when a plan didn't happen.
Like your gym story this morning.
Please stop reminding me about that.
Okay.
And we also learned how to use not supposed to.
Yes, when something is not allowed.
Like, you're not supposed to park here.
Or you're not supposed to smoke here.
So you can see this expression is actually very common in everyday English.
Native speakers use it all the time.
And the best way to learn it is to start using it in your own sentences.
Exactly.
So here's a small challenge for you.
Yes, we want you to write a sentence using supposed to.
For example, you can write something like,
I'm supposed to study English today.
or I was supposed to wake up early.
Hopefully earlier than Mary.
Hey, I said I was supposed to, okay?
Fair enough.
And if today's conversation helped you understand this expression better,
Don't forget to like the video,
and subscribe to Fluent English Academy.
because we post new lessons that help you speak natural English.
Not textbook English, real English.
Exactly.
And remember, don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Just keep listening, keep practicing.
And keep speaking English.
We're really glad you joined us today.
Take care, everyone.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.